Question number 5. Which row shows the correct number of covalent bonds in a molecule of methyl propene? Let me draw the structure of methyl propene. So this is your propene and this is your methyl. Okay, double bond, right? If you are going to count the number of pi bonds, so it would be 1, 1, 1. You have two options, A and C. So if you are going to do count the single covalent bonds, that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. 11 single bonds. 11 single bonds. Let me show you this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11. So C would be your correct answer. Okay.